Good morning, this is your severe weather outlook for Sunday, June 14, 2020. I am Extreme Weather's AI meteorologist, James Johnson. Here are your severe weather headlines in under a minute. First, rain and thunderstorms expected across the southern central Appalachians and southeast. Second, cool and damp conditions in the northwest, hotter and stormy in the north-central U.S. And finally, critical risks of fire weather continue in the Four Corners and High Plains today. Isolated to scattered storms capable of producing both large hail and severe wind gusts may occur across parts of the Dakotas. Critical fire weather conditions are forecast for the Four Corners region, the southern and central High Plains, interior Alaska. Heavy rainfall and flash flooding are possible for the southern central Appalachians into the Carolinas and Florida. And now here is your detailed severe weather outlook for today. High pressure and control over much of the eastern U.S. makes for a cooler and mostly dry Sunday and Monday from the Great Lakes to the northeast. Farther south, however, a stalled frontal boundary draped along the southeast coast and a developing upper-level low in the eastern Ohio Valley look to generate wet weather across the southeast and southern Appalachians. Rainfall totals through early Tuesday morning are forecast to be highest along the coastal Carolinas, where 2 to 4 inches of rain expected. Rainfall rates could become intense at times with the potential for localized flooding both Sunday and Monday. Heavy showers and thunderstorms should extend as far south as South Florida both Sunday and Monday. To the west, upslope flow as a result of the developing upper low over the eastern Ohio Valley leads to periods of rain in the southern and central Appalachians. Rainfall totals could range between 1 to 2 inches in southern West Virginia, southwest Virginia, and western North Carolina. In addition to the rain, very cool temperatures for mid-June are expected to persist into the first half of the week. The Northwest will also contend with its own stretch of cool and dreary weather thanks to a pair of upper-level disturbances tracking overhead. Precipitation will fall primarily in the form of rain, but some snow could fall in the northern Rockies and Cascades due to the considerably cooler temperatures. Sandwiched between the cooler temperature regimes in the northwest and the east are hotter than normal temperatures enveloping the plains and upper Midwest today and into the first half of the week. A passing cold front looks to trigger thunderstorms over the northern plains today, most notably in the Dakotas, where a slight risk for severe weather is in place. The threat for severe storms diminishes over the north-central U.S. on Monday, but still cannot be ruled out. Ahead of the western trough, gusty winds and low humidity levels are forecast across the southwest, Rockies, and plains. Some thunderstorms are possible over the southern and central Rockies, but little in the way of beneficial rainfall is expected. Critical fire weather is expected in portions of the Four Corners states and the southern central High Plains today as red flag warnings are in effect. Elevated risks for fire weather conditions are likely to continue into the first half of the upcoming week due to the continual presence of upper-level troughing over the northwest. This is James Johnson reporting for Extreme Weather. Our weather information is derived from the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center, located in College Park, Maryland. Our outlook uses AI technology developed by Extreme Weather, and our audio broadcast is digitally mastered by Jarvis Media Group. Have a blessed and beautiful Sunday. And please stay weather aware.
This broadcast is made possible in part by Extreme Weather. Funding for this broadcast is provided in part by our viewers and their donations. We would like to thank our viewers for their continued support of this Extreme Weather program. Thank you for listening and please check back often for further weather updates that may impact you and your area.